Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to redeem your gift card for Lululemon. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in shop.lululemon.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the main homepage of Lululemon, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand and click on the sign in button in order to bring up your login area. In order to redeem your gift card, you should be logged into your account. In the sign-in portal, type in your email address associated with your account. After you are done, head over towards the next field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password link and reset to a new password by following the on-screen prompts. Click on the sign-in button after you are done and you'll end up in the dashboard. In order to redeem your gift card, go ahead and make a purchase online, and you can use the gift card as a mode of payment while checking out. Select any products from the categories and add it to your shopping bag. Click on your shopping bag in order to view the items that you are trying to purchase. Go ahead and make any kind of a change if you wish to, and once you are done, click on the checkout button in order to end up in the checkout area. You'll need to type in your shipping address and click on the Go to Next Step button. On the next page, under Payment Method, you'll be able to see all of the mode of the payments that you can choose from in order to check out. If you want to redeem a gift card that you have for your Lululemon, click on the Add a Lululemon gift card link at the top and type in your gift card number in the first text field. Make sure to type in the correct information and head over to the next field where it says PIN. Type in your PIN number. Your gift card number and your PIN number will be located at the back of your gift card. And finally, if you are done, you can click on the Apply button in order to redeem your gift card with a purchase. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.